Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to scan a document using your iPhone, okay? Alright, so what you want to do is make sure you have Notes on your iPhone. If you don't have it, you can go to your App Store, search Notes. You should have the app. This is the app right here. I already have it, so here it is. Click on the bottom right corner as if you're going to create a note. Click on that, and then you see this camera icon. You're going to click on that camera icon and select Scan Documents. All right, here's a tax form, okay? It automatically, I didn't even do anything. It just scanned it. It keeps scanning it. So you can take it off auto if you don't want to do it. And just, if you feel like you got it ready, auto is, nice. It does it for you. If you don't like auto, you can do flash or no flash, but it's pretty accurate. So just hit the camera button when you're ready. You can drag the corners if you need. Keep scan, and then it scans it, okay? And if you have any problems, you can do it again. What's cool about this is that you can turn this into a PDF. Then you want to hit the save button, so hit done. Now at this point, you can forward it to your email. I just want to show you that this is now a PDF document when I mail it. So let's go ahead and go into my mail, CJsINFO. There you go, you see it says Form VA. Actually saved it as a title, Form VA Instructions. It is .pdf. This is now a PDF document. So it scans it as a PDF document. If you have a problem where you don't see this camera icon, what you need to do is turn that on. So in order to do that, you're going to click Settings. Then you want to click on your Apple ID at the very top. Then you want to click on iCloud. Then you want to click Show All. Click on Notes. Make sure you have Sync This iPhone on. If that is off, it's not going to allow you to scan. I'm going to show you right now. It's just letting me type words, but it's not allowing me to scan. So you must have this on. Sync this iPhone on in order for that to work. Hope you like that, guys. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.